CCNA version 7 Introduction to Networks Skills Assessment. Build this topology. 4321 router for R1. 2960 switch. And PCA and PCB. And connect the devices gigabit 000 to PCB gigabit 001 to S1 fast Ethernet 5, and from fast Ethernet 6 on S1 to PCA. Required resources on real lab: 1 router 4221, 1 switch 2960, 2 PCs, console cables, Ethernet cables. Develop an IP addressing scheme. Your instructor will assign one of the IPv4 networks from the table below. You will subnet it to provide IP addresses to 2 subnets that will support the required number of hosts. No subnet calculators may be used. Okay, choose one of these 3. I will choose the first. Okay, number of hosts in subnet A and number of hosts in subnet B. Subnet A is the subnet of PCA, and subnet B the subnet of PCB. Okay, and now subnet A and subnet B. Subnet A and subnet B. Okay, and this is the base IP address, and this is the base network address, 10.0.24. 192.168.10.0.24. And for subnet A, 100 hosts. For subnet B, 50 hosts. For subnet A, 100 hosts. For subnet B, 50 hosts. Okay, and place this base network address, place here the first 2 octets in decimal, last 2 octets in binary. Okay, 192.168.10 in binary. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 in binary, 8 zeros. Now you need 100 hosts. Hosts, 126 is a good number for 100, and this will be the new subnet mask. Copy this and fill the remaining spaces with 1s. Okay, this is the network address, 192.168.10.0, subnet mask 25. Okay, subnet mask 8, 16, 24, and 25. Okay, this is the broadcast, 192.168.10, and this number is 127. 127, prefix 25, the same prefix. Okay. If this is 128, this is 127. Okay, so the first hop is 192.168.10.1, 1 next to the network. And the last IP host is 192.168.10.126, prefix 25. one IP before the broadcast. And the next number is the following: 192.168.10. And the next number in binary, the next number of 7 ones is 1, followed by 7 zeros. Okay, and you need 50 hosts. And here on hosts, 62 is a good number. This is the new subnet mask. Copy this and fill the remaining spaces with ones. This is the network address 10.128. Okay, 128. 192.168.10.128, prefix 26. Okay, A 16, 24, 25, 26. And this is the broadcast. 10.128 plus 63. If this is 64, this is 63. 128 plus 63. 192.168.10. 191. Prefix 26. So the first IP 192.168.10.129 is the first one IP next to the network, and last IP host 192.168.10.190 prefix 26. One IP before the broadcast, and that's it. This is the subnet A and subnet B. IP addressing worksheet. Number of bits in the subnet for subnet A. Okay, this is subnet A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits. 7 bits. So the answer here is 7. For subnet B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits. For subnet B, answer here is 6 bits. IP mask in binary. Subnet A. Okay, for subnet A, the prefix is 25. 25 but in binary is the following: 25 in binary is 25 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 25 ones and 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the value in binary. So the answer for subnet A is this. Okay, now for subnet B, the prefix for subnet B is 26, but in binary, 26 in binary is 26 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24. 25, 26. 26 ones and 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. For subnet B, IP mask in binary is this. New IP mask in decimal for subnet A. For subnet A in decimal is this: 255, 255, 255, 128. Okay, and for binary, for subnet B, a new IP mask in decimal is this: 255, 255, 255, 192. Maximum number of usable subnets, including the 0 subnet. maximum number of usable subnets, including the zero subnet. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, equal the base for binary system is the number 2 and power of for subnet A, the new subnet mask prefix is 25. 25 minus the original subnet mask for the base network address is 24. 24. Okay, enter. 2. Okay, if for subnet B, the base for binary system is 2 power the new subnet mask, the new prefix for subnet B is 26 minus the prefix of the network, then the base network address 24. Number of usable hosts per subnet. Okay, for subnet A, look at this 126, 126, or another way to allow this is count the number of bits in the subnet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the base for binary system is 2 power of 7 minus 2 is 126. And for subnet B, okay, 62. Or count the number of bits on the subnet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base for binary system 2 power of 6 minus 2 is 62. Number of usable hosts per subnet 126 on subnet A and usable hosts for subnet B 62. Very good. IP subnet. For subnet A, this is the subnet, the network address, and for subnet B, this is the subnet for network address. First IP and last IP. For subnet A, this is the first IP 1 and this is the last IP 126. And for subnet B, this is the first IP 129 and the last IP 190. Assign the first IPv4 address of each subnet to a router interface. Subnet A is hosted on R1 gigabit 001. Gigabit 001 on subnet A. So for subnet A, first IP for gigabit 001. Okay, first IP. The network address or subnet address is this. But for gigabit 001 on router is the first. Okay, should be 10.1. 10.1. Very good. Subnet B is hosted on R1 gigabit 000. Okay, gigabit 000 on subnet B. This is the network address or subnet address for subnet B. Okay, is this? But the first IP on the router, the first IP is 129. 129. Assign the last IPv4 address of each subnet of the PC NIC. Okay, for PCA, on subnet A, last IP. Subnet A, last IP, 126 for PCA. 126. And for PCB, subnet B, last IP, 190. Assign the second IPv4 address of subnet A to S1. Okay, second IP for S1 on subnet A. Subnet A, if the first is 1, the second is 2. List the maximum number of usable hosts per subnet. First IP address, last IP address, maximum number of hosts. Okay, first IP address for subnet A and subnet B, last IP address for subnet A and subnet B, maximum number of hosts. Very good. Okay, record the IP address information for each device. Okay, this table is placed here on the topology. Okay, PCA is this 192.168.10, 126, prefix 25, subnet mask in decimal 25, 25 in decimal is 25 in decimal is this. Default gateway. The default gateway for PCA is gigabit 001 IP address on R1. So is this 192.168.10.1. R1 gigabit 000. R1 gigabit 000 is this. Gigabit 000 is 129. 192.168.10, 129. Subnet mask, prefix 26 in decimal. 26 is this, 255, 255, 255, 192. R1 gigabit 001, R1 gigabit 001. IP address is 192.168.10, 1. Subnet mask, the prefix is 25. So in decimal, 25 is this. 255, 255, 255, 128. S1 IP address is number 2. 192.168.10, 2. And the gateway for S1 is the IP address of gigabit 001 on R1. So the default gateway is 1. And for PCB, the IP address is 190. 192.168.10, 190, prefix 26. The 26 is 255, 255, 255, 192. And the default gateway for PCB is gigabit 000 on R1, so it's 129. Okay, copy this. Use the IPv6 address 2001 DB8 ACID prefix 48 and create 2 subnets for use in this network. Okay, the prefix is 48. Why is 48? Because you are using 3 sections. The first section is 2001, and this section has 16 bits. DB8 is the second section and also have 16 bits. Now you have 32 bits. And the third section is ACAD that also has 16 bits. And now 16 plus 16 plus 16 is 48 bits. And now you will create a new subnet, subnet A, column, and the prefix will change to 64. Okay, you will add a new section. This section is A, or is 00A or A. Okay, and here you have also 16 bits. So 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 is 64 bits. Okay, this is the new subnet for subnet A, and for subnet B you can use the next number, that is B. 4 sections, prefix 64. Okay, assign it to interface. For R1, gigabit 001, IP subnet address 2001 DB8 ACAD A, column, prefix length 64. Assign it to interface on R1, gigabit 000, IP subnet address 2001 DB8 ACAD B, column, prefix length 64. Okay, for R1 gigabit 000, for R1 gigabit 000, use the fields column 1, 2001 DB8 ACAD B, column 1, prefix length 64. For R1 gigabit 001, for R1 gigabit 001, also the first IP. Okay, the first IPv6 1, R1 gigabit 001, R1 gigabit 001, 2001 DB8 ACAD A, column 1 on IPv6. Prefix length also 64. And for S1, use the second. Two. IPv6 address 2001 DB8 ACAD A, column 2. Prefix length 64. On IPv6 you will get automatically the default gateway on S1. But if you want, you can configure IPv6 address of gigabit 001 on R1. Initialize and reload devices. Erase startup configuration and belongs from the router and switch, and reload devices. After the switch is reloaded, change the SDM template to one that supports IPv6 as necessary, and reload the switch again. Okay, this will work on real app. This will not work on Packet Tracer because SDM template will work only on real app. And S1, the 2960 switches on real app will support IPv4 and IPv6 with the SDM template that supports IPv6. The Packet Tracer 2960 switches does not support IPv6, so I will use another switch. The another switch is the 3650 switch. Okay, so we change the switch. This is connected to Fast Ethernet 5 on the switch. I will connect this to gigabit 105. This is connected to Fast Ethernet 06, and I will connect to gigabit 106. Okay, and remove this switch. Remove this switch. This switch will be S1. Erase startup configurations and VLANs from the router and switch and reload the devices. For example, on PCA, okay, you can connect, for example, use the console to connect, for example, from PCA, from RS-232 port to console port on the switch. And for the router, you can make the same connection, but you can use, for example, a USB cable to connect the USB 0 on PCB to connect the USB console on the router. Okay. For example, on R1, go to PCB. Terminal, okay, enter, no, enable, erase, startup-config, and reload. This is enough for the router. Okay, but for this switch, 3650, first access the switch and place the power supply. Okay. Wait for the green indicators on the switch ports. Okay. Okay, now this is the indicator. Now wait for the green indicator on this port of the switch. Okay, very good. From PCA. Okay, wait a moment and go to PCA. Terminal, okay, enter, no, enable, erase, startup-config, enter, delete the VLANs, the VLAN.dat file, enter, then reload. Okay, very good. Okay, on R1, okay, go to PCB to connect the console of R1. Okay, no, enable configure terminal. Disable DNS lookup, IP domain lookup. Router name R1, host name R1, domain name CCNAv7.com, IP domain -name CCNA-lab.com. Encrypted privilege exec password Cisco MPass. Enable secret Cisco MPass. Console access password Cisco Compass. Line console 0 password Cisco Compass. Enter. And log in to enable the password. Set the minimum length for password 10 characters. Exit. Security passwords. Min length 10. Create an administrative user in the local database. Okay, username admin, password admin 1pass. Username admin, secret password admin 1pass. Hey, be careful. Set login on BTY lines to use local database. Line BTY 0 to 15. Login local. Set BTY lines to accept SSH connections only. Transport input SSH. Encrypt clear text passwords. Exit service password encryption. Configure message of the day banner. Banner message of the day. Unauthorized access is prohibited. Enable IPv6 routing. IPv6 unicast routing. Configure interface gigabit 000. On R1 gigabit 000. Okay, gigabit 000. Set the description. Okay, PCB. Gigabit 000. Description. Subnet B. Any description, only a label. Layer 3 IPv4 address. 129. 192.168. 192.168.10. 129. Subnet mask prefix 26. IP address 192.168.10. 129. 26 prefix is 192. IPv6 link local address FEAD column 1. IPv6 address FEAD column 1. Link local dash local. Layer 3 IPv6 address 2001 db8 ACAD B1. IPv6 address 2001 db8 ACAD B column 1. Prefix 64. Activate interface. And shut down. Gigabit 001. Gigabit 001. Enter. Description. Okay, gigabit 001 on subnet A. Okay. Description subnet A. IPv4 address is 192.168.10.1 prefix 25. 192.168.10.1 prefix 25. 25 is 128. IPv6 link local FEAD : 1. FEAD : 1 link local. Same link local address as the another interface. IPv6 address, okay, for gigabit 001, 001, DB8, ACAD, A1. Okay, A : 1, prefix 64. Activate interface, no shutdown. Generate RSA crypto key, 124 bits modulus. Okay, go to global configuration mode with the exit command, enter. Now you are on global configuration mode and crypto key, generate RSA, general keys modulus 1024 bits for module 1024, enter. Very good. Configure S1. Okay, for S1, PCA, console of S1, enter. No enable. Configure terminal. Disable DNS lookup. No IP domain lookup. Switch name S1. Host name S1. Domain name CCNAlab.com. IP domain name CCNA-lab.com. Encrypted privilege exit password Cisco MPass. Enable secret Cisco MPass. Console access password Cisco Compass. Line console 0 password Cisco Compass. And login to enable the password. Shut down all unused interfaces. This is the range for 2960 switch. If you will use the interface 5 and the interface 6, say 5 and 6 in use in the switch, so the interfaces that you will disable, that you will shut down, is from 1 to 4, from 7 to 24, and gigabits 1 and 2. Okay, for this switch, the range of interfaces are from gigabit 101 to gigabit 1024, and from gigabit 111 to gigabit 114. Okay, and from PCA, connect the console of S1, exit, and on global configuration mode, interface range gigabit 101 to 104. 5 and 6 in use, and from gigabit 107 to 24. Okay, enter. You can do the following interface range: gigabit from gigabit 101 to 104, shut down. Okay, very good. And from gigabit 107 to 24, shut down. and from gigabit 111 to gigabit 114 shutdown. Okay, in this case is this very good. For 2960 switch, use this range. Create an administrative user in the local database admin 1 pass. Exit on global configuration mode. Username admin secret password admin 1 pass. Login on BTY lines to use local database. Line BTY 0 to 15, login local. BTY lines to accept SSH connections only. Transport input SSH. Encrypt the clear text passwords. Exit, go to global configuration mode. Service password encryption. Configure message of the day banner. Banner message of the day. Now authorized access is prohibited. Unauthorized access is prohibited. Generate an RSA crypto key 1024-bit modulus crypto key generate RSA general keys modulus (1024). Enter. Very good. Configure management interface SBI on VLAN 1. On VLAN 1, okay, interface VLAN 1. Set the description, okay, on S1, on subnet A, okay, description, subnet A, IPv4 address is number 2, 192.168.10.2. IP address 192.168.10.2. Prefix 25 prefix. And 25 is 255, 128. IPv6 in local address FE8AD column 2. IPv6 address FE8AD column 2. Link local address. IPv6 address. IPv6 address is 2.20.0.1 db8 ACAD column 2. IPv6 address 2.0.0.1 db8 ACAD A column 2. Prefix 64. And no shutdown to activate the interface, no shutdown. Very good. Okay, and don't forget the default gateway. Okay, don't forget the default gateway. Exit from interface configuration mode, exit, and on global configuration mode, IP default gateway. The IPv4 gateway for S1 is the IP address of gigabit 001 on R1 is 1. Okay, 192.168.10.1. Enter. And for IPv6 is also 1, but it should be you will get the default gateway on IPv6 automatically. Okay. Configure host computers. PCA is 126. 192.168.10.126. Subnet mask 25 is 128. Default gateway is 1, 22.168.10.1. No DNS server. IPv6 is this 2001 DB8 ACAD column. For example, column A. (2001) DB8 ACAD A column A prefix 64. IPv6 default gateway. Okay, you can configure the global unicast IPv6 address, that is the IPv6 address of gigabit 001 on R1. But also you can use the link local address of gigabit 001 on R1. And remember, the link local address on gigabit 001 on R1 is FEAD column 1. FEAD column 1. No DNS server. Now configure PCB. IP is 190, 192.168.10.190. Subnet mask. The subnet mask 26 is 192. The default gateway is 129. One 192.168.10.129. No DNS. And for IPv6, 2001 DB8 ACAD B, and for example, column B. Okay, 2001 DB8 ACAD B column B prefix 64. And IPv6 gateway, you can use the global unicast gigabit 000 on R1. That is 1. But also you can use the on gigabit 000. Also you can use on gigabit 000 FEAD column 1. Okay, FEAD column 1. No DNS. Very good. After configuring each host computer, record the host network settings with the ipconfig all command. PCA command prompt, ipconfig /all. Description. Okay, for example, PCA physical address is this, IPv4 address is this, subnet mask is this, default gateway, IPv4 default gateway is this. Okay, and IPv6 address is this. IPv6 default gateway is this. Okay, PCB. Go to PCB. Command prompt. ipconfig /all. Description: physical address, IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, IPv6 address, IPv6 default gateway. Description: for example, PCB, physical address, IPv4 address, subnet mask, default gateway, IPv6 address, and default gateway on IPv6. Okay, test and verify end-to-end connectivity from PCA. Okay, go to PCA, command prompt, R1 gigabit 000 IPv4 and IPv6. R1 gigabit 000 is okay. Gigabit 000 is 129. Okay, and ping 192.168.10.129. Success on IPv6. On IPv6 is B column 1. Okay, ping 2001 DB8 ACAD B column 1. Enter. Success to R1 gigabit 001. R1 gigabit 001 IPv4. IPv4 is 1. Okay, 192.168.10.1. Success. And IPv6 A column 1. A column 1. Success. Switch 1 VLAN 1 on IPv4. Okay, switch 1 IPv4 is 2. 10.2. Success. On IPv6 also column 2 A column 2 A column 2. Success. PCB IPv4. PCB is 190. Success. IPv6 is B column B. Okay, from PCA. B column B. Enter. Success. Okay, from PCB. Okay, go to PCB. Command prompt. Okay, R1 gigabit 000. R1 gigabit 000. IPv4 is 129. Ping 192.168.10.129. Success. IPv6 B column 1. Ping 2001 DB8 ACAD B column 1. Enter. Success. Gigabit 001 IPv4 and IPv6. Gigabit 001 IPv4 is 1. IPv6 A column 1. Okay, IPv4 is 1. 10.1. Success. IPv6 A column 1. Success. Switch 1 VLAN 1 on IPv4. Okay, is 2. 10.2. Success. Repeat. Success. And on IPv6 is A column 2 from PCB. A column 2. Okay, ping fails. Okay, S1 will get on real app will get the IPv6 default gateway automatically. Okay, but on Packet Tracer it's not working very well, so you need to configure the default gateway on S1 manually. Okay, go to PCA console to connect with the terminal. Enter. Okay, password Cisco CompassEnable enable Cisco MPass configure terminal, and create a static route to configure the IPv6 default gateway. IPv6 route, the default static route, and use the IPv6 address of R1. Gigabit 001 on R1 is the default gateway for S1. A column 1. 2001 DB8 ACAD A column 1. Enter. Okay, now from PCB, try again to IPv6 address on S1 and success. Okay, issue the appropriate command to discover the following information. Router model. Okay, access the router R1. Okay, so go to PCB and close the command prompt, open the terminal. Enter Cisco Compass, enable Cisco MPass, router model, show version. Okay, this is the model. Cisco ISR 4321. ISR 43 series. Okay, 43 series iOS image file. Okay, also use show version. This is the iOS image file. ISR 4300 universal K9, all these numbers. That being. Okay, this is the image. Total RAM. Okay, this is the RAM. About 1 gigabytes expressed on kilobytes. Okay, kilobytes. But a real device will have 4 gigabytes. But in this case, on Packet Tracer, about 1 gigabytes. Total flash memory, in this case, about 3 gigabytes expressed on kilobytes. Okay, 3 gigabytes. On real device, 4 gigabytes. Configuration register 0x hexadecimal 2102. Command line interface command used. Show version. Okay, display a summary of important information about the IPv4 interfaces on R1. Okay, show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. Display the IPv4 routing table. Show IP route. Okay, you can see the directly connected networks. This is subnet A and this is subnet B with letter C. Okay. Display the layer 2 or layer 3 mapping addresses on R1. Show ARP. Okay, very good. Display detailed IPv4 information about interface gigabit 000 on R1. Show interface gigabit 000. Very good. IP address, subnet mask, bandwidth, MAC address, and other information. IPv6 routing table. Show IPv6 route. Okay, subnet A and subnet B, letter C, connected network. Display a summary of IPv6 interface addresses and status. Show IPv6 interface brief. Okay, very good. Gigabit 000, link local address, IPv6 global unicast address, gigabit 001, very good. Display information about the devices connected to R1. Information should include device ID, local interface, hold time, capability, platform, and port ID. Show CDP neighbor. Enter. Okay, the neighbor for R1 is S1. Okay, S1, local interface on the router, gigabit 001. Hold time, capability, okay, it should be a switch, okay, should be a switch, S for switch, platform switch 3650, and port ID on the switch side, gigabit 105, very good. Save the current configuration. Copy running config to startup -config. Enter, enter, very good. Okay, also do this on the switch. PCA, enter. Cisco Compass, enable Cisco MPass, copy running config to startup config. Enter, enter, very good. Okay, thank you very much.